Hey everyone, happy Friday. On this Feature Friday, we're going to be looking at gift records in DonorDock. So this isn't like contacts. This is a really core object that is really important to the overall usage of DonorDock. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and look at that and kind of explain it. So under transactions, we have gifts. Within a gift, we can easily add a gift from this list, and gifts out of the box are one of four types. So they're donations, memberships, event tickets, or grants. And depending on which type, you may have different fields that need to get tracked. So the first step is we decide, what type of gift that we're tracking. Then we have to decide who is the donor. That's another really key piece of information that we need, or the member, depending on the type, the grantor. We know who it is. We can treat someone as anonymous, so we may know who it is, but they've asked to be treated as anonymous, or maybe we don't actually know where the money came from. It was truly anonymous, and we can choose those options. Once we've decided that, we can find our contact in the system that we're tracking this to. This particular gift, let's say it came from Carolyn Allen. And then we have some information about the details of the transaction. So the status, we have received, canceled, or processing. We have our gift date. So what date did we receive the funds? We also have dates like the deposit date so that you can mark that if it was a check, for example. The received amount that we received in this transaction. If there's any fee amounts, so if you're using our online giving platform, that's going to get filled in automatically. Same with a lot of our integrations with things like GoFundMe Pro or Fundraise Up or One Cause. That data is going to flow in. If there's a non-deductible amount, we can track that. And then we have the option to track soft credit amounts. And so soft credits is kind of something I'll probably do its own Feature Friday on. What kind of payment type was it? This is customizable, so we have a bunch that ship out of the box. You can add your own payment types to this as well. And other, just other data points that you may want to or need to track. A check date, check number, depending on the type, this may change to a different type of payment ID, a credit card transaction ID, for example. Payment notes. We do have full honor and memorial tracking, so you're able to keep track of all of that information. And then you can designate this to a campaign, appeal fund, or a giving page if you're using our online giving, which we'll look at in a future video. And so gift tracking is really straightforward. Once a gift is tracked, you can easily send out a receipt or print a receipt or a thank you based on our engine. And when we look at a gift, we can see all of the information about that, including tracking notes or documents. So if you want to make a document of the receipt and store that to make sure that you have it, you can do that. Also a timeline of what's happened with this gift. And you can link gifts together. So this is useful for, as I mentioned, soft credits or matched gifts. And we'll look at linking gifts and how those things kind of tie together in a future episode of Feature Friday. So very simple and straightforward in being able to track your different types of transactions. We'll take a look here in an upcoming video of pledges and take a look how we track pledges and how that ties into transactions. But yeah, wanted to just kind of touch base on and show the gift tracking because again, it's such a core piece to any donor CRM, donor management tool. We need to be able to keep track of that information. We try to make it pretty easy in DonorDock. So thanks for joining this week, and we will see you next Friday.